guys, welcome back to our channel, the SS Sisters 2. Today, Samantha is gonna do something today. What are you gonna do?
My cat. The beautiful cat like ever. Now, let's start painting.
So what kind of color are you doing?
I'm gonna use this one.
That is bold.
Oh, sorry, I did a mess.
So Sammy, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna paint over here, and I'm gonna make a normal cat.
Well, you're messing it up.
Sorry.
Maybe you should just take it out.
Don't
Rude.
ruin my operation of messing. Don't ruin my art creation.
You mean decoration? So if you made this, you're gonna look like an ugly cat.
Hey, you see? She bullied me, everybody. She always bullies me.
You put water in the paint.
Yeah, so how are you do?
You're supposed to put paper to dry, and that's awful.
Oh yeah. Sorry.
Miss, you really need to go to mathematic art picture.
Oh my god.
You spilled water, you're gonna spill again. Please hurry up. It's gonna take.
Hey, I wait patient wait patient when you're making your house.
Okay, I'm gonna go sleep. Look. Okay, I'll see you until you're finished. So I'll be like sleeping.
You don't see the lines because I covered them. Sorry. Stop snoring. Did I sleep on your video? No. So stop snoring.
Excuse me, what happened? Okay. I thought you were gonna paint the whole thing. I thought you were gonna paint the whole ball blue.
Yeah. Like, don't.
Wait, you are?
No, it's blue?
Yeah.
No.
What? You are not putting more pink because like you're wasting it all. You literally put like a fat chunky. Wait,
Is there any brown here?
No, there's no brown, I think.
Okay, now let's use dark blue.
I'm just cleaning up this thing.
Don't laugh at me that I did horrible.
Why am I laughing? I'm not even laughing.
No, I'm talking to the fans that they're laughing on my art creation. Okay, now I use water. Don't touch my water.
So, what are you gonna do next? Okay, keep going. What are you doing? Were you blind or something? Were you blind? It was literally pink.
Tata! Don't mind me. I was just taking it off when it's dry. Stop. I know it looks like a man. Tata! The paint. We don't want to paint. Sorry. Tata, help me.
What are you doing?
I hold it.
Blind or something? Are you blind or something, Samantha? Are you blind? Or are you deaf? Or are you blind again?
Sorry guys, my sister says I'm blind. I'm not blind.
You are. You literally don't see. What are you doing? So stiff.
I don't know, something like something wrong there.
Yeah, I didn't tell her the secret.
You put a secret?
Yeah.
Comment below what's the secret. Do they know?
Yes, I told them. But you don't know.
Comment down below right now. Right now. Right now.
Oh my god. You're crazy. Okay, I'm gonna do this so fast. I'm not waiting.
I'm gonna haunt you.
Why are you gonna haunt me? What did I do to you?
Right. Comment below right now. Comment below right now. Combat right now.
Oh my god. Oh no, what happened? Okay, this was like a so weird cat. I don't know why. Okay,
Now put pink here in those ears. Look right here.
okay. Okay, let me put pink here. Wait, stop being so.
Can I put it right here?
Did I do all the work for her? Wait.
No. No.
Okay, put it on. Closer.
What? What? What?
Nothing. Nothing.
What? I don't know what she's laughing at. What are you laughing at? Oh my god, I see it.
Stop.
Make it, put it.
I help me. Okay, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Please subscribe and hit the notification bell that this girl doesn't put a pain in my face like this too. Please subscribe. Bye. Ah! Ah! That was your turn.
No.
It was awful.
No, I'm black.